Hey you guys, Misty here. I've got the 3 color series, Belba Family Animals and Birds. And I've got some yellow colors picked out for the giraffe. I don't know how well this will do, but we'll just go ahead and do it. So one is this lighter yellow I'm using. Basically, I just picked a lighter yellow, medium yellow, and darker yellow. So hopefully it will work out. Right now I'm doing the ones. Going up here. Hopefully you guys can see, but now this is what I'm doing though. I'm just Xing the ones. I'm afraid if I zoom in too much it'll be blurred. So I'm just Xing them. X method. So these are the ones I'm doing. I've got my cardstock. I was going to start on the cat picture for you guys, the very first page, and I messed up on it. So I'll probably just have to go back and fix it best I can. I was using black for 2 and it's supposed to be in a different color. So I messed up on it. Easy to do, I guess. So I started back on the giraffe one. We'll just start on it. See how it goes. I'm just doing the X's. Okay, now that's the one right there. Now we're going to go with 2. Alright, let me see which one it was on 2. Kind of a lighter. Okay. Alright. They're about the same. That's the problem. They look the same. So we're going to have a problem here because they look the same. So I need to try to find a darker yellow that's really dark. I'm using Oahu markers. I don't know. This is more orange, but let's see now. 2. That's more orangish, but it's different from number 2, so alright, maybe I won't mess up. Now this is 2 right here I'm doing. More of an orange color for 3 I'm going to use. I'm just Xing along. These are the 2s I'm doing. So we hope that this will do good for us. These are 2s. Just going along here. You guys see it good? Hopefully. Like I said, I don't want to zoom in, but you know what I'm doing. I'm doing the X's. Afraid it'll be too close. See how it does zoomed in. No, I'm just going to leave it zoomed out. That's what I'm going to do. For some reason, my camera does not agree with zooming in. I don't know why. Like Lisa, her camera is really good. Lisa's Coloring Corner, when she zooms in, it does really well, but mine just doesn't do good on it for some reason. But I noticed some other people's videos for the Belba family books, they just zoom out, have their zoomed out also and doing it, you know. Okay, that's 2 right there. Still on the 2s. Going to do the 2s here. Still on the 2s. I ain't gonna chat much on this one because I did a lot on the last one, and I've run out of some things to say because I'm doing these one after another. Usually I film, you know, several days or a week apart, but hey, what the heck, I just went ahead and decided to jump on here, and we'll see how this goes. And I have to concentrate on it or I'll mess up, because I messed up on that cat one. I had to stop the video. I feel funny when I don't talk, but alright, I think this is the darker orange. Maybe. I'm hoping it looks a lot like. It looks a lot like 2, though. That's the only problem. It looks a lot like 2. 3 does. We'll see how it dries, but this is 3. I'm using this for 3. You never know. That's a little bit darker, thank goodness. It's fun to find your own colors too. I don't want to mess up. Now this is the very lightest one right here, and this is 1. Okay, now these are 1. I'm back on 1, guys. I'll tell you when I'm on a number. I'm on 1 now. Again, I'm down here on 1. I'm zooming along. I've got my flashlight on. I've got the sun shining in here. A glare. Let's see, now that bright, is that too bright? Yes, it is. I should cover that sun up. I always mess up on that. Let's see. Nope, that's better. Okay, I got a sun shining on us again. I'm on 1, guys. Okay, 7 minutes. Pepper's still laying here looking at me, ain't you, Pepper? Well, I decided to eat some chicken noodle soup today for lunch. I heated some up. That one video I showed you guys of the can that was, the snowman was dressed up. It was a Christmas can. It was real pretty. I decided to eat some chicken noodle out of that can today for my lunch. Been eating Cheerios for my breakfast. Have to have a little bit of sugar in your Cheerios. I can't just eat them plain, but I just like a little bit of sugar in them. Cereal. You know, I love eating cereal. We're still on 1. And if you guys have this book, you can join with me and pick out your colors you want to use and just put X's over the numbers on the colors you pick. Well, it's going to be a pretty little giraffe. I just like picking light, medium, and dark colors. That's about in the same color area. Or sometime I'll go and use their chart they give you. No really rule to it. Just whatever you prefer, I guess. I'm still on 1s. Yeah, usually around this time I get a glare, the sun shines, and I just have to be in the mood to chat. So here lately, I've been in the mood to chat around 2 in the evening instead of 10 in the morning. So I hope you guys don't mind the glare a little bit. I'm still on 1. Okay, now we're gonna go back to, I think this one was 2. Okay. Alright, 3 was more orange. So we'll go with 2. Alright, I'm with 2 now. I'm going with 2. Two, 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 looking out my back door. Not 3, but 2. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Usually I use acrylic super tips on these books, even on the 3 number ones, but I decided to use the Oahu markers. Just pick out a few. I just picked out a few colors to use. So I definitely wanted to go with 3 to be a more orange color, because it would be hard to, I don't know, distinguish the yellows all together, because yellow is pretty much about the same color, I guess, unless you put in some little bit of yellow orange to it, which that's what I did for which number am I on? 3 or 2? I'm on 2. I'm on 2. Okay. Yeah, I'm on 2. Okay. All right. I'm still on 2 here. I wish I could somehow figure out how to set my camera up in the living room and color in there on the couch, but I don't know how to. This one I've got, the holder, you have to clip it on the side of the table, but I wonder if they make one you could use on the couch some way. Clip one on the couch, or you could sit on the couch and color. I don't know. Better not mess up. It's easy to mess up on this. Sometimes you do. 2, but this is 2 right here. I'm still doing 2. I'm rolling with 2 here. Okay, like I said, sorry about the shadows and stuff. Maybe it's not too bad for us. 2. Still with 2s. Okay. Still with the 2s here. I'm going down here now. I just move around different places, basically. This is 2s. There's 2s here. 2s. Okay, there's 2s. A little bit of a darker yellow. 2s here. Okay, so we got some 3s now. 3's more orange. 3 here. Now we're on 3s. I could put music to a video, but I just don't like doing that much. I think I did on one of my videos, it was a Jade Summer book. I put music to the video, but I mean, if I'm not talking, you can hear the marker going down while you're coloring. 3, 3, 3. Okay, now we're on 3s. Number 3. I wonder what our lucky number is, guys. Is it 1, 2, or 3, you think? Toss up. 3, 3. On 3s. 3. Okay, let's go here. 2, 3. Got some threes here. Oh yeah, that's pretty colors, really, you know. It's light colors, but it's really nice. Three here. Okay. Now we're gonna go. We'll see how this looks on camera. At least you can see it pretty good. I mean, it looks different, I know. We're still on threes. We might as well still be on threes. The Ho-Ho markers are doing really good in this book. Markers. Also, I did try gel pens. And they do really good too. The gel pens, glitter. Use the glitter ones. I'm going around. These are all threes around the ears here. So we're going all around. Threes. There's twos. We're still sticking with threes. What the heck? Because I've got the three marker. Three. Sun's just shining today. Threes. Threes. Yep. Good. What's an airplane? Hear it? Up here's the airplane. A lot of times if they hear airplane, they'll bark. And the twins, it looks like they'd be used to airplane by now. But I think they always think somebody's coming, you know, when they hear it. It's the airplane. So we about got this side done. Just about. These are mostly threes also. That's going to be pretty, I believe. Threes here. All threes. Zooming along, zooming along. What's your favorite books by Belba family, guys? If you have Belba family books, let me know in the comments below what your favorite book is by them. Three. We got three here. Oh, yes. Some more threes. Okay, I think I pretty well got the threes right in there. So, pretty much. It's a lot of threes. I'm really glad I went with the orange yellow color. Okay, now let's go back with one again. Well, let's see here. I gotta make sure I'm using the right color, because the one was really light, wasn't it? Yep, the one was really light. I don't know, hardly have any ones here. There's not many here to pick. That's ones. A few, but hopefully my hand's not in the way. We can still see what I'm doing. It does work better with this lamplight on though, because I turned off that lamplight. It was really bad. Just got a little shadow going. Yeah, I did find some ones here. Okay. These are twos up here. Here's a one. Okay, there's some ones. Right here's some ones. Ones here too. Okay. So I guess we'll go with two again, because I see some more twos right in there. The two was more, it wasn't orange, it was more darker yellow. Let's see, okay, now two, okay, here's two. Found it, I think. Am I using the wrong color? 4, 2. Wasn't that 3? Let's see. 2 is darker yellow. That might have been the wrong one. Yep, okay. This one's for 3. See, now it's easy to get messed up, but you just have to keep going with it. Sometimes you do mess up. Okay, maybe I was using the right color. Because it's this, I'm just going to go with this color for 2. That's what I was using, wasn't it? I believe, guys. And all in all, it'll come out okay, I guess. That's why it's best to stick with color. One color. Now I've got 3 now because I see a 3. So go back here to 3. Let's do the 3s here. I'm going to do 3s because I don't want to mess up on the... Okay, I'm going to do 3s now, guys. Yep. Definitely going to do 3s. I might have messed up on that 2 a little bit, but you can't really tell. Can't really tell it. 3, 3. It's hard not to get confused when the colors are about the same. You know? 3, I hope my hand wasn't in there. 5. Okay, you can still see what I'm doing. 3. Hopefully this video is not too boring for you guys. I'm just mostly just Xing, but you can see how the picture's coming out in the works, which is neat because you can't really see it, you know, so you're seeing the draft more as it goes through with the X's. Now we'll go here with 3. Yeah, I'm just sticking to 3, so right now at the moment, I don't want to mess up. That's a darker 3. So that's good, like I said. I think so. I like all of Belba family books. I like every one of them. The ones now, these are the ones I like where you can use X. That's the ones I prefer. I like real well. Okay, there's 3. Now I'm going over here and doing my 3s, guys. You ever watched that Barney Miller show? Do you guys like that one? I also come across that one, watched it. I liked it. Barney Miller seemed to be alright. It's an older show, but it's good. Seems like a lot of the older shows are the best, in my opinion. Remember that guy who went, his name was Fish? I think they called him Fish on Barney Miller. He's funny, the older man. Still hanging in here with 3. And there's a lot of 1s here too, so. Three is a lucky number. Maybe it is today. There's a lot of 3s when you get to looking at it. 3, okay. Don't want to miss a 3. You can see the giraffe. Always like giraffe color, and the yellow color, a giraffe. Colors of a giraffe is pretty. I like yellow. I used to not like yellow, but I like it now pretty well. I can cope with it. 3 here, 3. Okay, 3. 3. Getting the 3s here. Okay, 3. 3. Whoops, I missed it. I missed it. There's a lot of 3s here. I think I got them. 3, 3, okay. Alright, I'm going to set this aside here with the lid off of it so I know that's 3. So I won't get confused. One was, like I said, one was really light. It was a light color. Okay, found 1. So we're going with 1 again. How many minutes are we in? 26 minutes? Okay. Well, the camera automatically start back again for us. Maybe I can finish this one on camera. Maybe. We'll see. I'm on the 1s. There's a bunch of 1s right here. That's a real pretty yellow color. It's really nice. I really need to swatch out these markers too, because I've got that book from Ava Brown. I swatched out the spray markers. I'm going to show that on camera too. The spray markers I got a bigger set because I liked them so well from a friend that sent them to me. She sent me those, and then I liked a bigger set. So I got both sets now. I've got plenty of markers to last me a while, so I'm really thankful because I do use a lot of markers more than anything when I color. I don't use pencils much. I need to, but I don't. I'm not a fan of them that much, pencils. Prefer markers. And they don't seem to take as long either when you're coloring. If you use pencil, it takes a while. And I hate the lines you get when you're using pencil. And then you have to try to smooth it out. That takes time, or you can't see the lines. A lot of work to it. I do like using pencils in the little town books, the little mice books. They seem to work pretty good in those books. Pencils. I used my Arteza pencils on one page and it turned out okay. Still on 1s here. And it's really not hard to miss a number when you're just working with 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3. So, but now when you have more numbers on the Belba family books, you have to go back and make sure, because sometimes I'll miss a number. But with these 3 numbers, you pretty well get them. Okay, now we're back on 1s up here. I'm going to go with 2 now. So 2 is right here. There's 1. Here is 2. Okay, here's 2. And we'll mark it down here too. So we'll know this color that I used is this color. Maybe you can see this good still. I hope so. Oh, well, with the sun you can see it good, seems like. So maybe it's not too bad. with the sun shining on it. These are 2s. Alright, and here's where I was using the wrong color. And I was using the wrong color right there. I was right here. But you can't really tell it. I went over it. There's 2 right here. Let me go over these 2s. We'll try not to mess up 2 here. Okay, there's 2s. There's some more 2s right there. I really hope I didn't mess up. That bugs me when I mess up. I hope I didn't. There's a 1 there too, but I'll go with 2 right now. So I got 2. Maybe I won't miss 1. Like I said, and then watch me miss 1. Yeah, watch me miss it. Saying that you won't miss a number. Okay, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Here's some more 2s. Maybe I was doing the right number, guys. Heck, I don't know. There's some 3s there too. Okay. Just going along here. I might finish it on camera. I don't know. Maybe I will. Hopefully I will. Okay, let's go down here and make sure we don't have any 2s. Fill them up here. About Iris. 2s. Okay, there's a 2s. I'm gonna get them. Okay, now we're getting the 2s here. Hey, the sun went down more, so that's good. Now the camera should start back again in a minute. I'll just see if it does. Start back again. Are we on the flashlight too? Yep. Oh, we got a bunch of 2s here, guys. I would love to have a pizza from Pizza Hut. That would be good, wouldn't it? Well, you hear me put the marker down. Pretty good. So, it's good, I guess. You have to concentrate on it too, you know. Two, number 2. Okay, now I got the 2s there. Let's go up here toward the top. See the top? Maybe you can. You'll see it as I go through it more. Thank goodness I've got a battery back up here because my battery would have went dead on me. So it's good to have one of those battery chargers on hand. There's threes right there. Ring your bell, Iris. Ring your bell. We pretty well got the twos, I think. Pretty much. Now there's some twos here, but I think we're getting the twos out of the way here. Mostly just got threes left. Here's some twos right here. Threes right there. There's twos. Got another two. There's a two also. Some twos. Okay, I think I pretty well got the twos. No, I didn't. I spoke too soon. Spoke too soon, guys. There's some down here in the corner. Well, okay. We'll just have to come back and see if we need to find more twos. They're right here. So, alright. Here is one again. We're on one. Oops, about went over the wrong thing there. Because there's threes, there's not a one, it's a three. Let me go back through here and get the ones. The wind's picking up. Threes there. Mostly threes, it looks like. There's some ones. A few ones here. Okay, so it looks like we pretty well got the one, all the ones here. Looks like mostly we just have the threes left. Three. There's a two. Yeah, it was a good idea for me to keep the three separate from the other colors, the other two. That way I wouldn't get as confused. That way. Three. Okay. Three here. Now we're going up here to threes. We about got it right here. Sorry if my hand's in the way. Three here. Okay, there's threes right here. And then there's a three. Okay, we're getting it. Three here. Okay. What time is it? 6 minutes. Okay, we might get this done. We might do it. We're towards the top here. Yeah, that's pretty. It's turning out good. So you can see it more when I'm doing it on the camera, you know, I mean when it's filled out more like this. Three here too I've got to get. Right here's a 3. There's a 2 I missed. Almost got it. Just about got it, guys. 3's here. Okay. Let's see here. 3. Got it. Got a few 2's here. 3. Just want to make sure I don't miss anything because it is easy to miss. Yeah, it is. But it doesn't take long to find it if you miss a number. So I'm going to have to go back with 2 again. I've got 3's it looks like. I just got to get 2 now. 2's darker. Okay. Alright. So this one's 2 right here. 2. 2 here. I pretty well got it, I think. There's a 1. Here's a 2 right here. 2. I see a 1 I missed. I see a couple 1s I missed. That's 2. This is 1. I think I got it though, pretty much. One. Let's see. Now, see this one right here doesn't have an. Oh, it's the little eyeballs. Okay. All right. There's 1 3 there I missed. I see it. It's right here hiding, but I see it. This is the 3 I did. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Now here's the 2. So 2 here. I think we got it though, pretty much. So let's see, 2. Okay. I hope we got it here, guys. I believe we do. Let's see, 3. Okay. I know I marked them. It's hard to see them. I think we got it though. That's it right there. See right there's the 1. Right there. That's the darker. I need to mark the light anyway. This is the light I did. Okay, 1 right there. So there it is. We got it. There is the giraffe. There's the colors I used. Right there. But that's how it turned out. It's nice to do it on film there so you can see it. Like I said, I think I pretty well got the colors in there. So thank y'all for watching this, and hopefully you didn't get too bored with it. I love you guys very much, and we will be back again with another video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.